Inland Empire Regional Composting Facility is the largest fully enclosed composting facility in the United States. Located about 40 miles east of Los Angeles in the western Inland Empire. So being enclosed, this facility has challenges. All composting facilities are challenged with wear and tear and dust and moisture and corrosion, but when you're in an enclosure, equipment, especially metal equipment, actually can have significantly more challenges. So this team at the IRCF, we've evolved from a reactive maintenance program to one that is proactive and reliability centered. So our highly trained staff actually use preventative, proactive, and condition-based monitoring tools to keep the facility operating reliably. So we're going to show you an example of that in one of our 4 fan corridors, where the team was doing preventative maintenance and then using a thermal imaging gun where they detected a faulty bearing. The maintenance team found a bad bearing using a thermal gun, replaced the bearing, used an ultrasound to ensure that the proper grease was put into the bearing, and then the fan was put back into service. So tools like these actually save us quite a bit of money and, most importantly, unexpected downtime.